Welcome to Lead School at Home.
Hi students, in yesterday's class we have seen the up to example number, that is question number 10 from the exercise 6.3. Now in today's class we will see the question number 13, and I have given the question number 11 and 12 for the homework. I think you have done it. Now in the today's class we will see question number 13 onwards. Okay, see here in question number 13 what is given. D is a point on a side BC of a triangle ABC. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. This much we have to show here. Let us see how to show this. First we will draw the diagram according to the given condition. See here, what is given? D is a point on a side BC of a triangle ABC. Therefore, first we have to draw the triangle ABC here. See here, suppose this is a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Now, D is a point on a side BC. There is a point D on a side BC. Now I will join point AC, AD. Now I will join the side AD. See here, of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Angle ADC means this one angle. This angle is equal to angle BAC, means ये वाला बड़ा वाला angle. This angle BAC. These two angles are equal. Then we have to show here CA square is equal to CB into CD. We have to show here CA square is equal to CB into CD. To prove this, let us see what we have to do here. Given, first I will write given, what is given here? Triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. It is a given. Then what we have to prove here? To prove, see here what we have to prove. CA square is equal to CB into CD. This much we have to prove. Let us see how to prove. Proof. In a triangle, we will consider two triangles here. In triangle ADC and triangle ABC, we have to consider these two triangles. See, in these two triangles, what are the equals here? Can I say that this angle D is equal to angle A? That is, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. What is the reason? It is a given. It is a given. Now, see here in triangle ADC, I will take angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to, now in bigger triangle, is equal to BCA. In a triangle BCA, angle BCA, which is equal to angle BCA. What is the reason? Because this angle C is common in both the triangles. That is common angle. Reason is common. Therefore, triangle ADC is similar to triangle. While writing the similarity, we have to take the respective vertices here. Vertices A is respected to vertices B here. How to check this? See here. First, we know that vertices D is respected to vertices A of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC ka vertices A is respected to vertices D of a triangle ADC. Therefore, first we will write vertices D ka respective vertices is vertices A. That is center one. And again, vertices C ka respective vertices, that is C only because it is a common angle. And what is the remain in a triangle ABC? That is angle B is remain. That is respective to the vertices A. Vertices A का respective vertices क्या हो गया? B हो गया. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by which rule? That is AA similarity. By AA similarity. By AA similarity, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Therefore, now what we want in a proof? In a proof, we want CA square is equal to CB into CD. CA square we want here. See here, from this, can we take write this AC? We can write AC. See here, AC divided by BC. Respective ratio we have to take. AC divided by BC is equal to, in a proof what we want, in a proof also we want, BC also we want. See here BC, where we will get, we got BC also, and again CD we also we want here. CD, how to bring CD? Here DC is there, from this we can take, that is DC divided by AC. We can write this na. What is the reason for this? Reason is CPST, that is corresponding part of similar triangle. DC divided by AC and AC divided by BC you will get here. Therefore now send this AC towards left hand side. AC towards left hand side, it will go to the numerator, and the BC towards right hand side, it will also go to the in the numerator. Therefore AC into AC is equal to AC square. BC into DC we will get BC into DC. Now this AC can also be written as CA square. AC and CA both are same na. This side AC and CA, you can say it as a AC side AC, or you can say it as a side CA also. Therefore CA square is equal to, BC is also same called as CB into DC is also called as CD. Therefore we got CN. In a proof what we want, in a proof CA square is equal to CB into CD we want. We got here CA square is equal to CB into CD. Hence proved. Copy down this. Okay, now we will see question number 14. See, in question number 14 what is given? Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here we have to show triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and given that side AB, AC and median AD are respectively proportional to the side PQ, PR and median of a median PM of a another triangle PQR here given. Therefore, see here first we will write what is given data. Given, listen carefully because this question is a typical one. And in this question is also important, so please pay attention here. What is given? Given is AB divided by, that is ratio of AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to median AD by PM. These ratios are equal. It is given. And to prove, what we have to prove here? To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is a to prove. We have to prove here. See here, to prove this, to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, in this question need a special construction. See here, what is the construction? Construction. First, we have to produce the AD. AD we have to produce, means we have to extend the AD up to point E. Up to point E, we have to extend this AD up to point E such that this AD is equal to DE. Such that AD is equal to DE. AD के बराबर DE आपको join करना है. And now join CE and BE. We have to join CE and BE. Then after this, similarly here in the triangle PQR also we have to do the construction. See here, we have to produce the PM up to the point N such that this PM is equal to PN, such that this PM is equal to PN, and join QN and RN. We have to join the QN and RN. This part is a construction. Now we will write here what is a construction. Produce AD up to E such that AD is equal to AD is equal to DE, and produce PM Pm up to n such that Pm is equal to Mn. Pm is equal to Mn and join Be, Ce, Qn and Rn. This we have to join here. This is the part of a construction, and now we will see proof. Now see, in the first figure, that is in a quadrilateral ABEC. In a quadrilateral ABEC, in a quadrilateral ABEC, can I write BD is equal to DC, TD is equal to DC? What is the reason? BD is equal to DC as AD is a median, as AG is a median. AD median hai, therefore BD is equal to DC. If AD is a median, then can we say that BD is equal to DC? Yes. Therefore BD is equal to DC we got here. And again AD is equal to DE. AD is equal to DE. What is the reason for this? Reason is AD is equal to DE. Why? This is by construction. We can say this is by construction. Mark this as a equation number 1 and this as a equation number 2. Now see here, in the quadrilateral ABEC, we got AD is equal to DE and BAD is equal to DC. From this we can we say that therefore in quadrilateral ABEC diagonal AE and BC bisects each other. Can we say that? Therefore in a quadrilateral BABEC diagonal AE and BC bisects each other. ये दोनों bisects करेंगे. If the diagonals are bisects each other, then can we say that this quadrilateral has a parallelogram? We know the property of a parallelogram. What is the property of a parallelogram? The diagonals of a parallelograms are bisects each other. Therefore quadrilateral ABEC is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Therefore, can we say that if quadrilateral ABEC is a parallelogram, then can we say that side AB is equal to EC and BE is equal to AC? Yes, that is AB is equal to EC and BE is equal to AC and BE is equal to AC, or you can say that AC is equal to BE. Mark this as equation number 3. And what is the reason for this? What is the reason? The reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. We know that opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram. I will mention like this, parallelogram. Okay, copy down this. Similarly, quadrilateral PQNR. Is also a parallelogram. Therefore, PQ is equal to NR. And PR is equal to QN and PR is equal to QN. I will mark this as equation number 4. And what is the reason for this? PQ is equal to NR, and PR is equal to QN. You have to write the reason. I had it. That is the sides opposite to the, or you can say that opposite sides of a parallelograms are equal. Opposite sides of parallelograms. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now see here, Now we will see in two triangles. Now in a triangle ABE and triangle PQN. Now in a triangle ABE and triangle PQN, and in a triangle PQN, that is in a triangle ABE and in a triangle PQN. Better I will mark by hatching here. In a triangle ABE, this one triangle, and in a triangle PQN means this triangle. In a triangle PQN, in these two triangles, see here, from given data I will write, given we don't know that AB by PQ, is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM, It is a why? The reason is it is a given. Data. We know this. Therefore, I will take this AB by PQ as it is, because in the both the triangles AB by PQ ratio is available. That is in this triangle, in the triangle ABE and in triangle PQN, side AB is there, therefore side PQ is also there. And can we check AC is in this both the triangles? No, AC is not the part of these two triangles. Therefore, we have to remove this AC. Can I write instead of AC BE? Instead of AC, can I write BE? Because from equation number 3, you know that AC is equal to BE. From equation number 3, you can say that AC is equal to BE. Instead of AC, I will write here BE. And PR, what is the value of PR? PR is equal to QN. From equation number 4, you know that PR is equal to QN. See here, PR is equal to QN. From equation number 4, you can say that. Therefore, instead of PR, I will write here QN. We got here BE by QN is equal to AD by PM. Here what we have to do? Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. We know that if we multiply by the same number in the numerator and denominator, then the value of fraction will not change. We know this. Therefore, we have to multiply in a numerator by 2 and denominator by 2. Now, therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BE by QN is equal to 2 times AD. What is the 2 times AD? 2 times AD, can I write AE? See here, if you not understand how AE is equal to, can I write AD plus DE? AD plus DE. Yes, I can write AD plus DE. AE is equal to. Now we know that DE is also equal to AD. DE is also equal to AD by our construction. Therefore, this AD plus, instead of DE, can I write AD, which is equal to 2 times AD? Can I write 2 times AD? Therefore, we got AE is equal to 2 times AD. Now, instead of 2 times AD, can I write AE? Yes, you can write AE. Instead of 2 times AD, we can write AE. AE divided by 2 times PM. Instead of 2 times PM, similarly, can I write PN? Yes, we can write PN. Yes, we can write PN here. See here, this is no need to write. If you not got how the AE is equal to 2 times AD, you can write in the rough. You can write this part in the rough, otherwise no need. Therefore, we got this much. What is the reason for this? From 3 and 4. From 3 and 4, we got that this. Therefore, can we say that the triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN? Can we say this? ट्रायंगल ए बी सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल पी क्यू एन, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है, हम बोल सकते हैं बाय विच रूल? बाय ट्रिपल एस सिमिलर क्राइटेरिया. बाय ट्रिपल एस सिमिलर criteria. By triple S similar criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Why triple S? Because all the sides are in the same ratio. Therefore, can I write, first I will name this angles as, this angle as angle 1 and this angle as angle 2 and this one is angle 3 and this angle is angle number 4. Name these angles. Therefore, can I say that the angle 1 is equal to angle 2? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Can I say this? Why? What is the reason? Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Because corresponding part of similar triangle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. These are the corresponding part of a similar triangle. Therefore, mark this as a equation number 5. Mark it as a equation number 5. Now, see here. Similarly, can I say that these two triangles are similar? These two triangles, triangle ACE and triangle PRN. Can I say that these two triangles are also similar? Similarly, triangle ACE, triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN, is similar to triangle PRN. Triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN. Therefore, can I equate angle 2 is equal to angle 4? These two angles here. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Can I equate it by corresponding part of similar triangle? Corresponding part of similar triangle, and mark it as a reason is corresponding part of similar triangle. Mark it as equation number 6. Now, adding equation 1 and 6, 5 and 6. We have to add here equation 1 and 5 and 6. Adding equation 5 and 6. See here, adding equation 5 and 6, we will add first here. What we will get, see here, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. After adding equation 5 and 6, we will get angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 3 plus angle 4. Now see the figure. See here in the figure, angle 1 plus angle 2, can I write angle BAC? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to, can I write angle BAC? And angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to, can I write QPR angle QPR? Okay, see here. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle BAC, which is equal to, and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle angle QPR. Angle QPR. We got this. Mark it as equation number 7. Now see, in a two triangles, now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, bigger triangles. In these two triangles, we have to check here. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. This is a given data. From given, we can say that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. And again, angle BAC is equal to angle QPR from 7. See here, from 7 we have proved here. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to angle QPR in these two triangles. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which rule? By SAS rule. By SAS, similar criteria. By SAS, similar criteria. Hence, proved. This much only we have to prove here. Therefore, we got these two triangles are similar here. We got the proof. Copy down this. Now we will see question number 15. See in question number 15 what is given. A vertical pole of a length, there is a vertical pole of a length 6 meter cast a shadow of a 4 meter long, shadow cast kar raha hai 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, tower cast, there is another one tower is there, and cast a shadow of a 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Here we have to find the height of the tower. Let us first consider the pole. I have considered the pole AB as a pole. Consider this AB as a pole of a height 6 meter length. Pole of a length 6 meter. That is pole का length क्या है 6 meter है. Then cast a shadow of a 4 meter long. 4 meter long का shadow cast कर रहा है ground पे. This is a shadow. Let us consider this BC be the shadow of a pole. इस pole का shadow है. And here the sunlight is coming like this. This is a light rays. Sunlight rays are coming here and meet at a point C. Now, how much the length of a shadow is given? That is 4 meter shadow is there. Again, there is a one more tower and cast a shadow of 28 meter long. I will consider another one side. This is a side and this is a tower. I will consider this PQ as a tower. This PQ is a tower of height we don't know. That height only we have to find here. And cast a shadow of a 28 meter long. 28 meter long का shadow cast कर रहा है. Suppose this is a 28 meter long and this point is a R. QR is a shadow of a tower. इस tower का QR is a shadow. And this light rays, it is sun rays are coming from the point P and meet at a point R. This is a light rays travel like this. Therefore, here we have what we have assumed, AB as a pole and PQ as a tower. Therefore, I will assume this PQ height as a x meter height. PQ be the x meter height. We assume this PQ as a x meter height. Here I will write here. Let AB be a pole, and BC be a shadow of a pole. BC be a shadow of a pole. Shadow of a pole, and PQ be a tower, and QR is shadow of tower. QR is a shadow of a tower. This much we have assumed here. Therefore, now in triangle, now here I will write first given data, then only we will see in these two triangles. Okay. Here AB is equal to 6 meter, BC is equal to 4 meter, PQ is equal to x meter we have assumed, and QR is equal to 28 meter. QR is equal to 28 meter. This much is a given data. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in these two triangles, see, angle B is equal to, that is angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Is why? What is the reason why these two angles are equal? Angle ABC is equal to angle PQR because each 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. That is because pole and tower are always vertical to the ground. पोल एंड टावर क्या रहेंगे? ग्राउंड को वर्टिकली रहेंगे ना, देयरफॉर दिस एंगल इज अ 90 डिग्री एंगल, एंड angle C is equal to angle R. Why? What is the reason this angle C is equal to angle R? Why? Because the angle of elevation of a sun at the same time is a same. एक यहाँ पर क्या कर रहा है? The shadow is at the same time we are checking. Therefore, angle of elevation of a light, that is if a light is coming from here, point A से light आ रहा है पोल से, ये light आने के बाद दोनों point A and point P से जो एक ही टाइम से लाइट निकल रहा है ना सन से, therefore the angle of elevation of a sun is same at these 2 points. That is the reason is angle of elevation of a sun is same at same time, same time पे same ही रहेगा वो. Therefore these two angles we got equal here. Therefore can we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which rule? By AA similarity. Now see here how to find the next step. In the next step, what we want the PQ value. We will take the ratios of AB by PQ. Can I write ratios of corresponding sides here? AB by PQ. This is AB divided by PQ is equal to, can I write this BC by QR? Yes, can take BC by QR. What is the reason? Corresponding part of similar triangle. Therefore, corresponding part of a similar triangle. Now, put all the values here. What is the value of AB? AB here 6 meter. Put here instead of AB 6 divided by PQ. What is the value of PQ? We don't know. That is x meter we have assumed. BC, what is the value of BC here? BC is 4. And what is the value of QR? QR is a 28. Now see here, QR is a 28. Now 4 ones are, okay, sorry. See here, we got all the values here. AB is equal to 6 and PQ is equal to x, and BC is equal to 4 and QR is equal to 28. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28. We got here 1 by 7. Now send this 7 towards left hand side, it will go to the numerator, and x towards right hand side, it will go to the numerator. Therefore we get x is equal to 42, sorry, 7 6 are 42 meter. We got x is equal to 42 meter here. That is, the height of a tower is equal to 42 meter. Right below the sentence, therefore, the height of the tower is 42 meter. Now we will see question number 16. See, in a question number 16, what is given? If AD and PM are the medians of a triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then we have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. We have to prove here. First, I will consider two triangles. One triangle is triangle ABC, and another triangle will be triangle PQR. Let's consider first triangle will be triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC, and another triangle will be triangle PQR. This triangle is a triangle PQR, and here AD is a median. AD is a median of a triangle PQR, and PM is a median of a triangle PQR. PM is a median of a triangle PQR. It is a given data. First, I will write given here. See here. Given AD and PM are medians. AD and PM are medians. AD and PM are medians. Therefore, can I write BD is equal to DC and BD is equal to DC and QM is equal to MR? QM is equal to MR, and mark it as equation number 1. And again, one more thing is given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is also given here. To prove, what we have to prove here? Here we have to prove AB by PQ. This side AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. That is median ratio. AD by PM. We have to prove here. See here how to prove this. Proof in triangle ABD and triangle PQM in these two triangles here, in a triangle ABD and in triangle PQM, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR We know this, na? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. What is the why? What is the reason? As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is a given data, na? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is a given. Therefore, we can take the ratios of AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. That is corresponding part of a similar triangles. We got here these two ratios are equal. Now see here, this BC can also be written as 2 times BD. BC can also be written as 2 times BD. Yes, AB is equal to AB divided by PQ is equal to BC can also be written as 2 times BD. This BC can also be written as 2 times BD divided by this QR can also be written as 2 times QM. QR can also be written as 2 times QM. And all are thinking about 5. This is came. So here rough work I will show how it will come. BC is equal to, can I write BD plus DC? This BC is equal to, can I write BD plus DC? Yes. Now see here, this DC, we know that, see here, from given data BD is equal to DC, we know that. Instead of DC, can I write BD again? Therefore BD plus, instead of DC we have to write BD again, is equal to 2 times BD. Therefore we got BC is equal to 2 times BD. Similarly, from this two, from in a triangle PQR, you will get QR is equal to 2 times QM. This is a rough work, no need to write. We got here 2 times BD is equal to 2 times divided by 2 times QM. Therefore AB by PQ is equal to, now we will get cancel is 2 to get cancel. Therefore we will get BD by QM. We will get BD by QM. Mark this as a equation number 2. And again, in a triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, दोनों triangle में angle B is equal to angle Q. We know that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. What is the reason? As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. As triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, it is a given in a question. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q. Mark it as equation number 3. From 2 and 3, you know, 2 and 3 we got, from 2 and 3 we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. We can say that these two triangles are similar. By what is the reason? See here, these two sides are in the same ratio. That is, AB and BD are in the same ratios. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. You got here, and again one more angle we got here, included angle. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, can we say that by SAS similar criteria, these two triangles are similar? By SAS similar criteria. By SAS similar criteria. I will write here only. See here, by SAS similar criteria, we got these two triangles are similar. But what we have to prove? Here we have to prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. From this, can we write, see here, respective ratios? AB by PQ, I will take AB by PQ as it is equal to BD by QM. Directly can I write, sorry, AD by PM I have to write here. See here, AD by PM we got here, AD by PM. Why? What is the reason? AD by PM. Reason is corresponding part of CPST, corresponding part of similar triangle. Hence, prove. This much only we have to prove here. See here. To prove only what we have to prove, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM we have to prove. Here we got AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Hence, proved. Copy down this, and for today's homework, I will give some questions in the PDF. You have to solve by tomorrow only. Okay. Bye, students.